things about you and all the good things that you have been doing, especially the Yuva Jagriti one. I have been hearing about it even from Dilip Jain sir. Every week you conduct and all those things. He has been telling me so many things like that. So nice of you, madam, and I'm very happy and delighted to be here along with you. Thank you so very much for giving this opportunity. And heartiest welcome to Zone 16, madam. You're welcome. Thank you so very much. Yeah. Coming to the, the chief guest note or whatever you call, I would like to say women in my own version. So, being women empowerment program, I would just take a minute or so. So, I would like to give you a definition for women, the expansion of WOMEN. Women, shares all her wisdom to whomever she meets. She doesn't keep secrets in wisdom. She keeps lot many secrets in other things, but not in the wisdom part. And she grabs all the opportunities wherever she finds opportunity. She grabs all the opportunities, and she sees that, she learns something from that, and she implements that. And for M is for motivation. She not only self motivates her, she also motivates the other person. Whomever she meets, she motivates the other person. And E goes for, yes, you see a lot of women with energy, right? You see women, you get a lot of energy. So she's full of energy and she's very lively, enthusiastic. So E goes for enthusiasm, and N is for noble cause. If it comes for a noble thing, women is the first person who stands forward and she says, yes, I can do whatever I can. So this is my definition for women. And let us not wait, let us not take much time to enter inside the world of happiness. I'm eagerly waiting to enter the world of happiness, into Neha ma'am's world of happiness. And thanks for giving me this great opportunity, and all the very best to all of you. Stay home, stay safe, and have a great social distancing approach in wherever you go. Thank you so very much, President. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, JC
Over to
Ambika,
you. Thank you.
for all the kind words and kind of encouraging our members, especially calling out their name shows how connected our members are with you and you with our members. And once again, I thank for your all your support. And as you rightly said, we all are here to get into the world of happiness. And before that, I request JC Yalni for a present task. JC Yalni, over to you.
Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you, Chairman. I take immense pleasure in introducing this personality. She is a trainer with expertise in the areas of personality development, image building, and behavioral skills. Also, a passionate content developer. She brings her a range of training experience with real life scenarios which she uses during facilitation and personal enthusiasm. She relates with audience in the training workshops that she conducts. She has designed and delivered content for various companies on different modules. She has also done trainings in Hong Kong and Dubai and is appreciated and recognized as an international trainer. As a facilitator, she has been recognized for creating a stimulated and interactive learning environment, encouraging participation and individual creativity. In addition to this, she has the ability to build rapport quickly with participants and make them feel comfortable in learning environment. She has an envious style of training as a facilitator for empowering communication skills through professional English programs, presentation skills, and public speaking. Her trainings are activity based, fun learning, and emotionally connect the audience as she uses real life anecdotes. Though she has worked with the best of corporate and has earned accolades, but she realized what satisfied her was when she interacted with people and leading them to live happier and more productive lives. And that's how she started off facilitating and mentoring people under her own training company called Prophecy. An MBA specialist marketing from Symbiosis Pune, she has various educational qualifications to her credit. She completed courses like Diploma in Fashion Designing, Diploma in Psycho-Counseling, Diploma in Computer Application, an EPS graduate, Speechcraft graduate, ZTWS graduate, and NTTTS graduate. She is also a passionate NLP practitioner. She is a passionate trainer, lyricist, story writer, professional MC, poet, and content developer. She is very active with socialite and has worked on different posts for different organizations. Was Lions Club Bellary president for the year 1998 during college. Was Karnataka Rakshana Vedic Women's Wing president for the year 2013. Joined as a BJP North Bangalore Women's Wing president in the year 2014. Elected as a Human Rights Women's Wing president for the year 2017. Joined as a core team member for IVF Karnataka Women's Wing for 2017. Active member for Jain Mahila Mandala Baswangudi. Her hobbies are: she is a passionate trainer, completed National Train the Trainer course, and is certified national trainer. She is an NLP practitioner. Her profession is singing. She is a professional singer, dance, and she learned Bharatanatyam as a dancer and a contemporary dancer. She writes poems in Hindi and English. She is a lyricist, writing songs for album. Lots of songs have been released on YouTube and appreciated by everyone. Specialist in relationship and devotional songs sung by Vivek Parekh. She is a story writer, written stories for many television series. She is a speech writer, have written speeches for politicians. She is a professional MC and have done many shows for corporate. Passionate badminton and volleyball player. Her JCI career: she joined JCI in the year 2014, won Best New JC for the year 2014, was an active participation in all events since 2014, completed EPS in the year 2015, completed Speechcraft and ZWS in the year 2016, part of Yuva Jagrati since 2015, one outstanding lady JC both in Zone and JCI BGC for the year 2015. Completed NTTES in the year 2018. Won outstanding participation in the Speechcraft, ZWS and NTTES. Won many awards for contribution at JCBGCI. Attended NatCon, ZoneCon in the year 2016 and 2018. Her strength is leadership quality. She is very creative, strong communication skills, entertaining, very helping in nature, and multitasking. She has conducted workshops on topics like communication skills, time management, sales training, team building, personality development, conflict management, first-time managers, stress management, customer services, and many more. She knows the languages of Hindi, English, Kannada, Telugu, and Marathi. And now I'm going to now, she's none other than Neha Chowdhury. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Awesome. Welcome.
Thank you, Yalini. Wow is the only word that comes to my mind after listening to the introduction. Neha ma'am, I wouldn't stand between you and our participant. Having heard so much, I'm sure like they wanted to hear a lot from you. I would not take much of that time. And we are handing over the floor to you. Over
Thank
to
you.
you, Neha ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Well, I'm like overwhelmed by listening to the introduction that has been given. You know what? I'm just feeling top of the world right now. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that wonderful introduction. And Ambika, ma'am, I'm really proud that you're there with us, inspiring all of us. One inspirational woman we have along with us. And there are so many, in fact. So before we go ahead, I just want some ground rules to be set in the whole training process. So this is going to be a very interactive session, and I want everybody to keep your videos on, please, so that I can see everybody's faces. This gives me a lot of energy, motivation, and it drives me actually. So keep your videos on, and whenever you have a question or you need to ask me something, please unmute yourself and do ask me a question wherever you feel that I'm going fast, because everybody says that I'm a little fast in communication. So in case if I'm going fast and if somewhere you feel that no, I should slow down, kindly do that, kindly object me. And otherwise the Zoom chat box is open, so you can just put on your queries in the chat box and I will be really happy to help, because the chat box is right in front of me. I can just open it whenever it wants and I can check your questions. So this will be the ground rules. We will have an interactive session. I want you all to participate, because this is a learning both of us are going to carry. I'm learning from you and you learning from me. So we will have an interactive session. So before starting, the screen share was done actually. I don't know if I missed it out somewhere. Can you see the screen?
No. I've taken a screen share.
All
Now
right, I'll do
we
that.
can share a screen again.
Right, I'll do that. Right, I'll do that. Okay,
Yeah, we can see a screen now, ma'am.
right. All right. So I'd have to again reset everything. I'll just do that. 1 second. It'll not take much time. All right. Chat box. Chat box कैसे open? Chat box. All right. So starting, the first thing that comes to my mind when we talk about my world of happiness. नहीं किया, chat box करना. So yeah, my husband is with me here. He's helping me out with this thing. Just chat box open करते हैं. More में जाना है, yes. More. I'm really sorry. I'm taking just a second. Huh, that's it. Thanks. Okay, when we talk about my world of happiness, you know what comes to my mind? A story of every woman comes to my mind. Every woman's world of happiness is connected, is interlinked with each other when we talk about this small world of happiness. All right, before we start, I just want to know that, you know, how your lockdown period has gone all this while. What was it that, you know, you all felt? And I really want the honest answers, please. Whatever you have felt during this lockdown period. The beginning, I need to start with this. So please put your answers in the chat box, or you can just unmute yourself and discuss with me. Anybody who wishes to do that, please. How was your lockdown period, by the way? We all felt that life has come to a standstill. All of a sudden, everything was, closed, shut down. And really, life had come to a standstill. We didn't know how we are proceeding, where we are going. So I need the honest answer, how this whole period has been. Somebody has written, very boring, all right? Okay, lockdown period, I enjoyed by watching movies daily. Okay, movies, lazy, felt lazy, all right. Learning new skills, that's a good thing, yes. Or how it has been. Like, I just want to know more answers. I want to get more answers about it. Everybody have done something or the other, naturally. Some people have been really lazy, working more. Okay, I'm spending a lot of time with my husband. Okay, great. It was interesting by gaining knowledge through our JCI group, yes. Tried some new dishes. Okay, I joined online course. Wow. Okay, worked out with my passion, work from home. I spent my time with my family, lots of cooking, tried new dishes, spending more time with family and learning new things, keep watching Idiot Box. Okay. All right. Got so many answers, and I'm really delighted to see all the answers here. So many people have so many things to say. Now, this lockdown period actually can be used for one more thing. You know what? It is called as self-introspection. Self-introspection, sitting with you, talking to yourself, thinking about your life, where you are, where it leads. Okay, honestly, have these questions ever come to your mind? That what is my importance? Why am I here? Is this my destiny? Or can I create my own identity? Have you ever asked these questions to yourself? Because back to the roots, when in my earlier days, I used to always ask these questions to myself. These questions triggered my mind so much that I always wanted to do something. Why am I here? The purpose of my existence, it bothered me a lot. And then I realized, that we all women are actually influencers. And there is where this whole direction came to my mind. And I thought of finding out ways that how our platform, our voice, our energy, our power, our potential can be used to contribute to change the world around us. Because we women, if we can build families, we can build communities also. And at the same time, we can build economies also, because we all are influencers. So starting with this women empowerment program, I want all the women to be energetic all through, and also please be interactive. All right. So how much do you know yourself? These are the questions I'm going to ask you, and trust me, you all have to be interactive. Okay. First of all, how much do you know yourself? To know yourself, you need to introspect. And introspection can happen when you sit with yourself at least for 10 minutes a day and think about how your life has been and how it is going and where it has to go further. First of all, some basic points and some very important points you all should know is that you are the soul of your family. You are the soul of your family. Do you know how important are you to your family? Maybe for others, you are just a person. But for your family, you are the world. For the world, you're just a person, but your family, for your family, you are the world. So you are the soul of your family. Understand, appreciate self for being so good to your family, so humanly to your family, for accepting your family, and also for doing so much unconditionally for your family, for loving them unconditionally. So you are the soul and be proud of it. If you are not there, trust me, whole of your family will get shattered. And to realize this importance, it took me so many years. So many years it took me to realize that I am the soul of my family. And trust me, everybody today here, present women who are here in this platform, everybody should know that you all are as equally important as other family members. And then the second thing that comes to my mind is you have the power to bring a new life. Who else can do it other than a woman? No one else can do it. Even God cannot do it. You are blessed to bring a new life in this world. So that one power that God has given only you is because He knows nobody better than you can do it. So if you can give birth to a new life, why can't you give birth to your own self-confidence, to your empowerment, to your world around you? You are a multitasker. So many things we keep doing and we do not realize that how we became multitasker over the years, you know. When we started from our school days, our college days, how we started being multitasker, we ourselves don't know. We got involved so much in all the work that we all became multitaskers. We started working, we started taking care of the families, we started bringing up our children, we started taking care of our relationships. We became emotional at times, we became even, strict and very professional at times. We also became strict to our children to give them a better upbringing. We also became strict to our spouses to give them a space. How many times we have been multitasking? We have got work from home, at home, and home from home to workplace. We have mingled up everything, yet we have proved ourselves in every part of our life because we all are multitaskers. And we all know nobody other than women can do a multitasking better than anybody else. We are the people who can do multitasking superbly well. We can actually contribute to economies in a very different way. So we all are multitaskers. Then you can make or break a home. Yes, this one thing we all should admit, that we are the people who can make a home or break a home. Before we enter, it is just a house, but after we enter, it becomes home. And trust me, our positive attitude, our aura, and the way we think, our perspective, everything changes the home to a better place or to a hell. Trust me, this whole thing lies on our shoulders, that how we make or break a home. Coming to the next thing, we create humanity. You know how we create humanity? By building up our children, by bringing up our children, instilling in them those values, those principles that has to follow to become a good citizen. You know, we create humanity. We bring them up like that they grow up to be the best human on world. So even the onus of bringing up humanity lies on the shoulder of a woman. So a woman is very, very, very important, more important than anybody can believe. Coming with these basic points, let us now explore ourselves, that how a new beginning can be done. A new beginning, needs new steps. And let's see what best we can do to make our lives more easy. So today after the session, I believe that all of us are going to be here with a new beginning. So let's understand how it works. Coming to the point, why empowerment? I'm 100% sure every woman is empowered in her own way. Some work from home, some go outside and work. All right. Some are homemakers. Some also are both, outside also they work and work at home also. So this multitasking, this empowerment gives an identity to a woman. self-identity to be created is very, very important. And the first question what I asked, what is my important? Can I create my own identity? It's an answer to that. Women empowerment is an answer to that question. Why it is important? Why am I here? What is the purpose of my existence? These questions are always triggering in the mind of many women. And trust me, self-identity is the only answer to this question. How do you develop that self-identity? By feeling that you're important. By feeling that you also can do something to help your family come up. By feeling that you are important because your family loves you the most. And why will they love you the most? Because you love them instead. This self-identity is very, very important for you to be alive. You are alive, but to be alive from within, you need to have a self-identity. Only if you have a self-identity, you will be able to be alive with hope. And without hope, a person is dead. We sleep in the night, all right? We sleep in the night thinking and deciding that tomorrow when I get up, I have to do all this work, all these things I have to establish, all these things I have to do. We don't even know that we are going to get up in the morning or no. But that hope gives us that instinct to plan everything for the next day. Without hope, we are dead. And this hope is the reason that we have our self-identity. And self-identity and hope are always interlinked. So why empowerment? Empowerment is to have your own self-identity. Why empowerment? To develop a human race. It helps you in development of human race. How does it help you to develop human race? Because from the beginning, from the day one, we have seen that a woman gives birth to a child and imparts her knowledge to the child, imparts her values, her principles. A child is inspired more by a mother because he sees mother working, the way she acts, the way she behaves. Your children do. When you tell, they don't listen, but what you do, they copy. So please remember, you are part and parcel of your children's character, building up their character, their personality. You are the person who always gives your 1001% to build up the children's character and personality. And that is why you develop human race. Developing the society. Yes. Because we are the inspirations, because we develop human race, our children are a part of the society. We even develop society. We also contribute to economy. A lot of us work. We work, either we go to office and work or we work from home. We work, and we have proved 1,000 times that we also can contribute to economy. And that is why we need to be empowered. Coming next, how to empower myself. This one question, from here, actually, the whole thing starts in your life. The change pattern, the transformation pattern will start from here. How do you empower yourself? The first point here comes, create a strong presence. Trust me, there are so many people who come to me and, they say that, when we go to a party, when we go to a place where there are so many people, we are not even recognized. We are not even recognized. Nobody sees us. Nobody bothers that, we have just come and gone, and nobody is bothered that she has come and gone. Why this happens? Because you don't have a strong presence. Here when I talk about strong presence, I completely believe it has to be your physical presence. Physical presence means your dressing sense, your hairstyle, your looks, the way you talk, the way you carry yourself, what you wear, how you smile, how you interact with people, what you talk to people. It is about what you talk to people, how you make them feel when you talk. All this comes in creating a strong presence in a public place. Trust me, every woman needs to learn this, how to behave in public to create her strong presence. This strong presence will give you a space in society, will give you an identity in society. So always try to create a strong presence. Dress yourself neatly, whether you're at home or outside. Please dress yourself very neatly. Tie your hair tidily. Be neat and clean. Be apparent. Be smiling always. All your tensions aside, all your frustrations aside, keep smiling always. This smile will attract people and they will start liking you. And that is the reason strong presence will be there. Whenever you go to any place, then you will never have a problem of not being recognized. People like Sania Mirza, we have so many actresses, we have so many people whom we, even for that matter, Arunima Sinha, we talk about them because they have a strong presence. They know how to present themselves. Second thing, is keep learning and adapting technology. This is very important. We need to grow along with the generation. We cannot be living like old days, you know. During our time when we were in schools and colleges, we never had this WhatsApp, we never had these technological development that time. But whatever we had, we used to survive with that kind of thing. But as the time changes, as the generation changes, you also need to change along with them. Only then you will grow in the society as a person and create your presence. This learning and adaptation of technology is very, very important for your personal growth as well as your professional growth. When you grow professionally, if you don't know these things, how to adapt these technologies, you won't be able to survive the competition which is there at your workplace. Along with that, even at home, if you're learning this, your children will respect you. You need to go to their school. You need to talk to their teachers. You need to talk to the parents of your children's friends. And if you don't have that knowledge, what you need to talk and what not, it becomes very difficult for you to survive there, to create your identity and to leave your mark among that society. So please start adapting the changes that comes generation by generation. When changes comes, do not sit with an attitude of mujhe sab aata hai, I know everything. No, there are so many things. Learning happens every second, and keep your minds, hearts and arms open to accept all the learnings that comes your way. Even a small child teaches us. Please keep your heart and mind open to learning even with a small child. So please keep learning and adapt technology. Then comes developing personality. When I talk about developing personality, I not only talk about your physical appearance, I also talk about developing your inner personality. Trust me, these days, you know, nobody likes a person who gossips, who talks ill about somebody, who talks negative about somebody. You know, when you talk negative about somebody, it shows your character. It does not show the character of the person whom you're talking, but it shows about the character of you, about whom you're talking. Your character, your personality is defined by you yourself. Always develop your personality in that way that people comes running to you, talking to you, finding solutions also. Trust me, this developing personality can start only with you. You have to begin it. You have to do it. How? Keep a warm smile on your face all the time. Keep that warm smile. That smile is always beautiful. It makes you even more beautiful. Start appreciating yourself for the things that you're doing. This appreciation plays a vital role in building confidence in you. Self-appreciation is very, very important. Whether people appreciate it or not, you should appreciate yourself, because nobody other than you know your potential, true potential. So please start appreciating self. Self-appreciation can be done in many ways. I maintain a diary, all right? I maintain a diary, and every day a good work, if I do, I write it in that diary. I fill lines in that diary. The day I don't do a good work, if that line is empty, it hurts me that have I not done a good work today? And when I look at that whole diary, when so many pages are filled with so many good qualities that I have because I've written it in it, I appreciate myself. That boosts my confidence. That builds a confidence in me that I'm a good human. And trust me, this works like magic for you. This will boost your confidence 100%. So appreciate self. Stand in front of mirror, not only when you get ready, but also after getting ready. Stand there and talk to yourself and appreciate that one person, that one unique person you can see in the mirror. Appreciate yourself. This will boost your confidence in a very big way. All right. So when I talk about developing personality, it is about your smile. It is about the way you talk to others, the way you make others feel. How you make them feel. Talk to people what they like, not what you like. Talk to people with acceptance nature. You know, what they talk, you listen to them also. And also you talk to them. You make them feel comfortable. You make them feel at home all the time they talk to you. Whenever they come to you, they should feel that, you know, here I can talk everything. Developing personality is a pleasing personality, a personality that everybody identifies, that everybody loves to be with. So develop that kind of personality, and that is how you will empower yourself. Coming next, stop negative perspective. Very, very, very important for every woman to deal with. You know what happens when we have a negative perspective in life? When we think negative, when we think negative about everything, we become a negative person, and this defines our personality again. One example I need to give here. Some days back, what had happened was I had some guests before the lockdown period. I had some guests at my home. Evening, all of a sudden, around 7:30 p.m., I was like, I finished all my kitchen work. I had cleaned up everything in our house. They everything. I just went to my room and I was sitting and watching TV with my husband. And all of a sudden, there were around 7 to 8 guests at my home, and they had come for dinner. Now what happened? I went to the kitchen back. I started cooking again. And I cooked such beautiful dishes. So beautifully I cooked. Everybody loved and enjoyed the dishes that I'd made. They all enjoyed, but I was so tired to the core. By the time the guests left and I cleaned the kitchen and everything, it was around 11 o'clock in the night. And I was too tired, actually, too tired. I called up my mama. I said, Mama, I'm so tired today. I don't know why these guests come without notice. At least they should have earlier informed me. Although I cooked so well, they all praised my cooking. But yet I'm so tired, and I'm really not liking it. My mama just told me, Neha, you did cooking. Everybody liked your food. Why don't you say this whole thing like an achievement? Why don't you say, Mama, you know what? Today, all of a sudden, all the guests had come and I cooked so well. Everybody appreciated so much, and I'm so happy that this happened. Just a change of perspective, You say something with a negative perspective and something with a positive perspective. It makes a whole lot of difference. It changes your life completely. Change your perspective. Develop that positive perspective in your life. Everything that comes your way comes with a purpose. Please understand that and start thinking positive. When you think positive, the aura around you is positive. People around you will remain positive. And when there is positivity all around, negativity will have no place at all. No hatredness, no jealousy, no ego, nothing at all that bothers you. So empowering yourself means even this, stopping negative perspective. What next? Now, believe in self. This was the last thing that I wanted to say. Believe in self is so important, When you don't believe yourself, why will other people believe in you? The day I had asked my husband that I want to go in for a training career, I asked my husband, please allow me to do this. My husband told, first of all, do you believe in yourself? Do you think that you will be able to do this, to build a career in this line? And you know what I answered him? I said, I really have to think about it. I'm not sure. So my husband said, come to me and ask for it when you're sure about it. That day, I did not show confidence on my own skills. And that is why my husband did not believe in me. After thinking for a while, after taking a self-introspection and after thinking that I can do it and believing in me and building that confidence in me, I went back to my husband. I told him, I can do it and this is what I want to make my career in it. And please, you have to support me. He asked me again the same question. Do you believe you'll be able to do it? I said, I 100% believe I'll be able to do it. And he said, okay, then I'm with you. So if you show confidence in yourself, if you believe in yourself, people will believe in you. Otherwise, they will not believe. If you're doubtful about your own potential, people will be doubtful about you. So please start believing in yourself. This will give you a long flight. Next, be a multitasker. I had also spoken about financial freedom. Financial freedom is very, very important. Financial freedom comes to you by being a multitasker. Let's go forward and see how this financial freedom comes to you. So be a multitasker. What does this mean? We all are multitasker. Are we all are multitaskers? How many people are working here? Let me know. Please, either you can raise your hand or put it in the chat box, or yes, or even you can just unmute yourself and tell me what work you're doing, what kind of work you're doing. What is it that you're doing? Yes, Bahuguna. Yes, Bahuguna, ma'am. Yes, I can see you. Tell me.
Okay, ma'am. I'm working as a teacher.
Yeah.
In 11th and 12th standard English.
Awesome. Awesome, ma'am. So you even do your housework also? Everything you only do?
Of course. I don't have a maid. I do all the work at home.
Super. Very good, ma'am. Very good. So you are a teacher. That means you're building communities. Do you know? You're not only giving principles and values to your own children, you're giving it to thousands of other children in the school. So you are building a community, you're building a world around you. Who else wants to share what you're doing? What you all are doing? Working women? Yes, please share, ma'am. I'm a graphic designer. Got something in the chat box. Yes, very good. I'm a doctor. Wow. Satya Maheshini, right? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please tell me.
I'm also teacher one.
Wow.
I think daily I have some work to connect with my teachers and live classes and how will go like we training nowadays.
Oh, wow. All right, superb. And even your housework also you do, right?
Yeah, right.
Awesome.
Sure.
Yes. And Dr. Madam, there's somebody called as Vidya. She is a doctor. She is written here. So Vidya, can I hear it from you? How do you feel being a doctor and also a homemaker together?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am, actually.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I feel very proud and honored that you are calling me as a doctor in front of everyone.
Obviously, you are.
Apart from that, actually, I'm also a good homemaker too. Having spent a lot of time with my families during this lockdown.
Yes.
And actually, my brother was there as a president here, some director president, business president, I think so. Actually, because of him, I joined this link, ma'am. Actually, thank you.
Superb, ma'am. So, Vidya, ma'am, I would say that being a doctor, you're contributing double time to this COVID time. This whole time where we all are suffering. Doctors are like God for us. You all are saving us. So, being a doctor, and a homemaker, I'm very proud of you, ma'am. Very nice to hear you.
Yeah, thank you.
There is Chandra. She said, I'm working as a personal secretary. Yes, you are working as a personal secretary and also as a homemaker. So we all are multitasker in one or the other way. 100% we all do multitasking without even questioning and without even cribbing that, there's so much of work and I'm so tired. Oh God, oh no. Every day in the morning we get up, we cook for our family with all the love. We do all the household work with all the love. We take care of the children. We go to our office. We take care of the office. We come back home. We again cook. We clean up the house. We iron the clothes. We wash the clothes. We do lots and lots of things. And when we go to bed, we feel so satisfied that we have done our part of work and contributing to our family. And trust me, this one feeling of satisfaction is beautiful, is amazing. But that doesn't mean that people who are not working or women who are not working are not important. Please do not feel that. Because people who are not working or women who are not working outside are working at home 24/7. They are the people who are giving so much to their family and, sacrificing their own dreams. Trust me, women who are not working outside also has dreams. What are your dreams? What are the unfulfilled dreams that you're having in your mind? I want to hear it from all of you today. All of you, please tell me what are the dreams that has been triggering in your mind but you were not able to do because you had to sacrifice it for some or the other reason. You have a family. I always wanted to be a model, but I could not be a model. Why? Because I wanted my mother and father's happiness. They didn't wanted me to go to that field. So I sacrificed. I had a dream. Today, what we do, we push our dreams on our children. Please don't do that. They also have their own dream. I don't want to divert the whole topic here. Let me come back to the point. We all had dreams. I want to listen to every woman here on this platform today that what kind of dreams you all had. And what is it? What are the sacrifices that you have made? Let's talk about that. Anybody who wants to share with me about your dreams? Please do. I'm hearing, or put it in the chat box. I'm seeing the chat box. Yes, ma'am. Please tell me, Bahuguna, ma'am.
Actually, I decided that I must become a teacher when I was in 11th standard. So I feel I'm enjoying each and every moment. Super. As I decided, I got the same platform, so I'm enjoying, ma'am. So
lucky you, ma'am. Really lucky you. That whatever you thought. Yeah, absolutely. So whatever you thought you were able to achieve, that means you're very lucky. There are so many women who think something, but they are not able to achieve it. Their dreams are unfulfilled. But you know what? There is never a stop button in your life. Your life keeps moving. It keeps going. And sitting at home, also you can do lots of things. People who sit at home, they do sit with a reason. People who do not work outside or women who do not work outside must be having some solid reason of not doing it. Why? Because they must be having some other responsibilities to take care at home. Probably older grandparents or older people at home, children, small children. There are so many things, so many reasons, so many solid reasons for them not to go out and work. But for that also, do not feel low, because you are giving much more than required. You are giving up your dreams, your desires, your ambitions. You're giving up for the sake or for the happiness of your family. And trust me, you make us all more proud when we think about it. Working women are definitely, we are proud of you, but even women who are not working and sitting at home are also equally important. Your dreams are also equally important. Today we are talking about those dreams. All right. So why don't we do something sitting at home? This question comes to my mind every time. And trust me, I'm an expert in doing this. Sitting at home and still creating your own identity, bringing in money home and earning for your family, for you. Okay, might be you say that, my family is rich, I don't want any money. No, not for that sake, not for the sake of money, for the sake of your identity, for the sake of productive use of your time, that when you die, at least you have that thing left behind, that no, I have done something and died. Trust me, this is very, very important for all of us, just to make yourself feel good about it, creating your own identity. And I want everybody to do this. Sitting at home also, there are 1,000 things that you can do. And also people who are working outside also can try all these things. I also work outside. I have my own company. Yet I do so many things sitting at home. And trust me, that is the extra income, additional income that I make. Now, how do I do this? We have lots of hobbies, right? How many people are having hobbies? Everybody, I think everybody must be having hobbies, right? So why can't we create these hobbies into business, converting these hobbies into business? What kind of hobbies you all must be having? Can I know some? Please put it in the chat box. What are the hobbies that you have? Somebody must be having a hobby of singing. Somebody must be having a hobby of dancing. Somebody, yeah, mehendi, okay, mehendi designing, drawings, yes, art and craft. There are a lot of other hobbies that you all have. Yes. Cooking also is a hobby. Trying new dishes, it's a hobby. Yes. Planting, wow, super. Planting is also a hobby. Then what else? What are the other hobbies that you all have? I want to know that. Because every hobby that you have can be converted into business. And trust me, you will love it, because that is your hobby. You love doing it. And when that hobby, the thing that you're loving so much, that you love to do, that brings in money, it gives you double happiness. And it is possible. Trust me, it is possible. So let us see how we can convert our hobbies into business. All right. Let us see some opportunities and ventures from home. Few business ideas that we are talking about are here. People who are good in gift baskets, you all can make, who can make some gifting articles, like you're good at arts, you're good at what you call crafts and all. So you can create some gift baskets and sell it. We can have some home baked goods. Home baked goods are liked by everybody. It's loved by everybody. Everybody loves homemade cooking. So homemade food you can do. Online or offline tutorials. If you're good at mathematics, if you're good at some particular subject, you can have online or offline tutorials. These are like, running super good now. You get so much money in it, sitting at home online. I'm taking online class today. I'm taking online session today. The same way you can take online tutorials. Even offline tutorials, like, you can call students home, or you can go to their house and do it. So online and offline tutorials is a beautiful way of making money. Cloud kitchen, this is one of the best thing that is running these days. Cloud kitchen is nothing but you cook at home, and you just send it through delivery boys like Zomato, like Swiggy. All these people will come, they'll pick up the parcel from your home and give it to the people who need it. So this is also very easy. Sitting at home, you can do it. Then we have fashion designing, content writing services we have. Content writing is a very popular service these days, So many people need content for their websites, for their blogs, for their story writing, for lots and lots of other things. They keep needing content. And if you have the skill of writing, trust me, this can fetch you money in and out. Content writing, you can sit at home and do easily and send it to required people. You will get paid. Internationally also, content writing has lots and lots and lots of value. Trust me, you get paid in dollars for writing content. So this content writing service gives you lots and lots of money. You can sit at home and do it. Coming next is fashion designing. You can design dresses. You can put in your thoughts. If you can really do it, please do it. It has lots and lots of money. fashion weeks. There are so many fashion weeks, Lakme Fashion Week. There are so many fashion weeks that keeps going on for Miss India, for Universe, where all you need these designing skills, you know. Everywhere you can put your designs in. You can do this fashion designing sitting at home, just design your dresses, design your things and send it and sell it. You get amazing money in this. Then health and food. Lots of people are worried about health these days. Everybody has become very health conscious. So if you're healthy and you know to cook healthy food, please start doing that. There's a lot of market for this. You get paid heavily for this. You know, health and food is one of the industry you can work in for. Sell homemade food. This is what we spoke about. Arts and crafts, we already spoke about that. You know, if you're good at art, you can sell it. You can, if you're good at crafts, you can do it. Chocolates and confectionaries. There are so many things, chocolates and confectionaries that you bake at home, that you make at home, can be sold. Not only that, wedding or event planners. You know, you can become a wedding or an event planner also. You plan an event. I do that, you know, I do that. I plan a 2 hours, 3 hours event for a person, what they have to speak from pin to point, how they are going to begin, what they are going to do, how they are going to take it forward, what are the shairis that can be done, how you can involve public. Whole event can be planned. If you can plan it, please do it. You sit at home, you make lakhs in it. One event of 3 hours planning, if you do it, you earn around 2 to 3 lakhs in that. So it's a lakhs together you can earn sitting at home, just planning and designing an event. Not only that, you can do anchoring sitting at home. You can be a diet coach and definitely investment consultant. If you really have knowledge about where to invest, how to bring back money, you can always become an investment consultant sitting at home. All these and more are the services that you can sit at home and do it without even anybody's help. You don't need anybody's help. But how you can do is the question, right? You have some quality, but how will others know that you have that quality? So let us see how you can do it. Be an entrepreneur, all right? Online choreography and musical classes you can do. Online, how do you do it? On YouTube. This is the best platform. YouTube, open your own channel. You just have to click, you create a online choreography video, all right? You just create a video and post it on YouTube with your email ID, with your name, and trust me, this will go bang on. If you have reached certain likes and certain shares, you will be getting money from the YouTube channel also. You start making money by creating online visibility of your talent. And this online choreography and online music classes work like magic, I tell you. Today, my daughter is a singer. She is just 14 years, but she is a Bollywood singer. How she has done it, you know, I have not sent her to the classes. She has been doing classes online only. Her gurus are online. Her first guru was from Punjab, Mr. Manmohan Guruji. He was from Punjab. Now where she's learning is English music that she's learning. He's from Bangalore, but still online. Why we are learning online? Because of the lockdown situation. And online music classes also work very well. Not only that, dancing classes, superb. It fetches you money like anything. Online is always good, I must tell you, because it can never fail. Voiceovers. You know, there are so many TV serials, cartoon characteristics that are there. They don't have voices. So you give voiceovers to them. Your voices play a very vital role. So many people give voices to so many people. Trust me, like Kannada serials are there. Somebody, some actor comes from Hindi industry and works in Kannada serial. They don't know to talk Kannada, so voiceover is needed. That time your voice also can be a part of it. If you know that you have the talent and if you know that your voice works like magic, trust me, you give auditions for voiceovers. I will show you now in the next slides that which websites to be contacted or where you can go and connect for your particular skill. All right, we will talk about all that. Coming now is translations also. You know, some languages you're good at. All right, some languages you're good at. You're good at English, you're good at Hindi, you're good at Kannada, you're good at Telugu, Tamil. There are so many different languages that you know. And if you can translate, this is a beautiful business, trust me. Beautiful business. So many people require translations. Even articles are being translated. Even government documents needs translations. And you get paid handsomely for translating. Especially English to Hindi, Hindi to English translation is like mind-blowing because that requirement comes from abroad. It is internationally, they want people who can translate Hindi documents into English, who can translate stories, Hindi stories into English. Even the vachanas given by, you know, Sanskrit language also. In Sanskrit language, there are so many vachanas. Those translations are also required. So these translations fetches you money in dollars. It fetches you money like anything. It's beautiful. Trust me, translations works like magic. Reading. This one thing I must tell you, it is very easy, you know. What happens is, we will talk about this website also. You just have to enter website and give your details that what you can read. In that website, there are so many books. Okay, already existing books are there on different topics. Science mein hai, chemistry mein hai, maths mein hai, English is there, Hindi is there, other language, moral science is there. So many different books are there. Not only that, so many life skills books are there. Okay, you just have to choose one book, whichever you can read, and you have to read. Record that reading and send it. You will be paid money for that. Because people who cannot see, or people who really love, who do not want to, read the books, they listen to the books. And your voice, if you give it for reading, that they will listen and they will learn. So a lot of people opt for that option also. And reading also fetches you money. You just have to go to that website, register yourself, select a book and read and send the content, and you will be paid for that. So easy. So easy. How you can sit at home and make money. You just think about it. So many diversified ways you can make money. Coming next is freelance content writer. As I told you, content writing is very helpful these days. A lot of people need content for a lot of things. Blogging, people are mad about blogging, and especially linguistic blogging is very much in demand these days. Like, Hindi blogging, people die to see Hindi blogging. Not only that, in different regional languages, people like to see those blogs. And people have content, okay, but they don't know the language. Most of the time what happens, they have content, they write it in English, they want to blog in some other language, so they come to you. So content writing is one basic thing that everybody can do. If you have the talent of writing a content, please do freelance content writing. It will give you lots of money. Freelance YouTuber. This is one thing that I really wish to say. If you're really good in cooking, start your cooking channel, put it on YouTube. It works like magic. Trust me, I'm not a good cook. I have never cooked in my life earlier. Before marriage, I never knew to prepare tea also. Whatever cooking today, I do the best cooking. I'm a very good cook today. It is all because of YouTube. I have learned so many dishes on YouTube. I go to YouTube, I see, I cook. And my family enjoys those delicacies that I cook. This is one platform. YouTube is one platform where you can exhibit your skill openly. And you get paid immensely for that. Trust me. I'm a poet, as it was told in my profile also when it was being read. I'm a poet. I have started my own YouTube channel. Okay, poetry channel. I will send the link. Please listen to the poems that I have given. It's beautiful. And that YouTube channel actually has given me a platform where I can exhibit my skill. Freelance YouTuber is amazing. You get money, you get paid for that. After reaching a certain views, after reaching a certain shares, you get paid for that. So please start doing freelance YouTubing for your skills. Then comes this online selling. Okay, online selling, a lot of people already do it. Anybody wants to try, they can also try this. You can sell clothes online, artificial jewelry, etc. You can connect with the people who are doing it and just sell their product online. You can send it to your friends group, and if somebody wants, they ask you for it and you sell it to them. And keep your commission in it. So this is one of the way of doing it. Another one is network marketing. Network marketing mein insurance hai, Amway is there, Vestige product, Tupperware, Oriflame, all these products, you all must have heard about it. I don't have to much explain about all these things. You all must have heard about all these things. All these things also you can do sitting at home. Many people feel uncomfortable doing it, but there's nothing wrong in doing it. If it is giving you an identity, if it is giving you money, why not try it? And these things you can do along with your work. Trust me, sitting at home, you can do all these things. All right. So going next, how you can do it. Now coming to all these things we have seen that what we can do, but how you can do it. The best thing is social media platforms. This is where you can be seen. You are visible. How? Facebook. Everybody of you are having Facebook profiles, right? But do you know that Facebook also has a business profile? You create a business profile from your own page link. Create a business profile and mention there what kind of business you're doing. People who want business will go to your business profile, they will check and they will give you orders from Facebook. You can earn orders from Facebook. Facebook sirf likes paane ke liye nahi hota hai. We always give, we always keep posting pictures on Facebook to get likes. It is not only for likes, it is also for business. You have Facebook business page. Please go, click there and advertise about your business. Trust me, it will fetch you business. Next is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is really a professional profile, a very professional platform to promote your business. LinkedIn profiles, even I have my LinkedIn profile, inbox.neha, you can check there. On LinkedIn profile, you can put your skills on what kind of business you're doing, and only serious people will come. On Facebook, you might have people who do not want, they just come and they just go. But on LinkedIn, you will really have serious business connects. Serious people only come on LinkedIn. So have an account in LinkedIn. Now Instagram is more of pictorial thing, So if you're into a cooking business, or if you're into some writing business, so please put your pictures on Instagram. If you're into arts and crafts, put your pictures on Instagram. Instagram is more apparent as pictures. People keep scrolling for pictures. If they see the pictures and they are very attractive, they will stay there. They will search you that what exactly you're into. So Instagram is also one of the things. YouTube channel, we have already spoken about. The last thing it comes is websites. Website is very, very important. If you really have a business which is giving you lots of money, fetching you money, please make your own website and start promoting your website also. All these social media platforms will help you grow. Next, now you might ask me that, we have this skill, but we are not professional in it. So we don't know how to, how to promote it, how we can actually do it. Because when you enter a business world, you really need to be professionally good in it. Without being professional, you just can't do it. So next thing that comes is the online courses. So many websites you have, you can do lots of online free courses on these websites. There are free courses also, and there are paid courses also. You need to go search in these websites and choose for yourself what exactly you want. There is something called as Udemy. Udemy is a platform wherein you can even post your course and you can learn also. Understanding me? You can post your course. Yani if you're good at some skill, okay, and you know how to teach it, you can post your course also in Udemy. And you can also learn from the existing courses that is there in Udemy. Like this, there is Coursera, there is Skillshare, there is Khan Academy, there is Udacity, there is Lynda, LinkedIn Learning. All these online courses will give you a new platform to learn and grow. It will specialize you in your own skills, which you are already good at, which are your hobbies, you have been doing it, but you don't know where to get that professional guidance. These courses will give you professional guidance. And this professional guidance can be done even free or even paid. Both options will be there among these. If you just go and refer these websites, you will get to know that there are so many courses which are free online and which are paid online. So please check that. Whichever you feel comfortable, go get yourself professionally trained in it and then come on the field. Trust me, you can make money, you can create your own identity, and you can live a beautiful life. Then you will never have that curse. Next, you can also register your talent on these websites. Now, when I was talking about all these things, voiceovers, about translations, about reading, about all these skills, if you have, you can register your talent on these websites. All right. So for voiceovers, okay, if you feel that your voice is really good, beautiful, you can give your voice to some or the other character. Please register your voice on these things. Voicearchive.com is there, talenttrack.in is there, voices.com is there. These three websites are really worth it. They can give you a platform to give your voice. All right. Coming next is reading. acx.com is the website. All right. Where you just have to go into the website. Okay. Select a book that you want to read and send it. You will be getting paid for it. Next, for translations, onehourtranslation.com, languageservicesbureau.com, translate.com. These three websites are there. In this, there is one website which is government website also. Government documents also need to be translated. So this can be done. Even you can approach lawyers. They need lots of translation material they have. And there also you can translate. The next thing is photography. If you're really good at photography, you know that you love photography, you go for a walk, you click pictures which are so beautiful, which everybody sees and say, wow, what a photography. If you think that your photography is good, you can put it on Forbes. Those Forbes people give you money for the photographs that you send. These are the beautiful, beautiful websites wherein you can register your talent and make money. Trust me, Google search them. You will definitely love it, I'm telling you. Lots of things in this I'm doing, and I also love doing it. I make money out of it. Sitting at home, even with my profession, I'm doing all these things, and it is giving lots of benefits to me and my family. Trust me, it is not for money that I'm doing. I have enough money. My parents, my husband, my in-laws, everybody are very good enough. I don't have to think about money. But this I'm doing only to create my own identity, my own niche. I'm here to create my own niche and to feel proud about myself. And my family also feel proud about myself. It is only because of that reason I'm doing it, not for the sake of money. Trust me on this. Lot of time I do free trainings, I do service also, I do charity also. Why? Because I know that I don't need that much, but yes, I love to give. That is the reason. We all can do that. If you have talent, if you have skills, please open up to the world. The world needs you. It is not that you need money, it is the world that needs you. All right. And now coming to this thing, the next thing that we have is budget management. We all know that we all earn money, okay? We all earn money, but do we save? Do we have a budget that we manage at home? Most of the times, at the time when we require, we do not have enough money. This is very, very important. This is very important. First thing, remember, first thing is save money. Saving money, why it is important, do you know? It is important because this money will give you lots and lots of confidence during difficult times. When you earn 100 rupees, keep 30 rupees aside as if you have never earned it. Never think about the 30 rupees at all. And the remaining 70 rupees also, first pay off all the necessities, your school children, your children's school fees, your ration, your medicines, everything that is important, that has to be cleared first. And even after that you have money, then you spend it for luxuries. So 30 rupees is never known. That is always saved. Other 70 rupees, first the necessities, then your luxuries. Please manage your budget. Plan your budget. If you plan your budget during your difficult times, that will be helpful. Trust me, it helps like magic. This has really helped me in a lot of times, and that is the reason I'm saying you. Next is spend wisely. Spending wisely is very, very important. What is important? Please spend on that first, and then on the luxuries that you have. Coming next is, remember, money is not everything, but money is a necessity. I 100% believe that you all will believe in this. You all will agree with me that money might not be everything, but money is a necessity. Do you agree with me? Everybody, if you can, please raise your hands and show me, yes, you all agree with me that money is not everything, but money is a necessity. So please spend wisely and give that value to that money. Give that importance to that money. The hard-earned money that you have, with your sweat and blood you have earned that money. Please give that respect, that deserved respect to your money. Value that money. It is going to be helpful for you when your dark times comes. Coming next, enjoy life. All right? Find happiness in small things. It's very important. All stress, all difficult things are not only yours. There are a lot of other people facing different type of challenges. Please believe that, every tension is not yours. World is there. Whole world is having one or the other tension. So you are not the only one person who is suffering. Please start finding happiness in small things. This lockdown has showed me that, smaller things gives me lots and lots of happiness. I'm playing Ludo with my children. I'm playing snake and ladder with my children. That is giving me the same kind of happiness what I was taking them to malls, cities, taking them to parks and playing with them. The same kind of happiness I'm getting at home, playing with them in these board games, and teaching them cooking. When I'm cooking, they come to me, I teach them things and they're so happy. Mama, I did the work. We give them small tasks and they're happy in achievement. They feel like it's an achievement. So start finding happiness in small things with your spouses. Yes, candlelight dinner at home also you can do it. Why go out and spend? Do it at home. Prepare your husband's favorite dish and sit and eat with him. You will enjoy that time. Trust me, these smaller happinesses are beautiful in their own way. And once you start living them, you will realize that, lot of bigger things, lot of badi cheeze will not give you that kind of satisfaction what the smaller things will give you. So start doing that. Next is laugh out loud. Trust me, tell me, how many times have you laughed your heart out? I'm 100% sure you must have not done it. Why? Fear. Family hai, bacche hai, there are people around. How can we laugh our heart out? If I laugh loud, what will people think about me? Oh, please, care damn. Your heart, your happiness. Laugh out loud. It'll make your heart very empty. It'll give you lots of happiness. Laugh out. Nothing wrong in laughing out loud. Next, express your feelings. We never do it. Those emotions, we keep it inside. And that is the reason we feel so hard at heart. We do not feel light. These two things come together, Expressing your feelings and feeling light at heart. These two things comes together. If you hate somebody, tell them you hate them. If you're angry with somebody, tell them you're angry with somebody. If you're hurt, if you didn't like something, go express it. Tell them, I did not like your this thing. And please correct yourself. If they have something, they will explain their point to you. Why create a poison tree inside your heart without expressing your feelings? And trust me, like the same, please express your love to the people whom you love. This is very important. If you love somebody, express your love. If you hate somebody, express it. Whatever feeling you must be having, you're annoyed, you're anger, you feel good about somebody, please go and explain them. They matter to you. They are the people who really matter in your life. So please go and express your feelings to them. This will lighten your heart a lot. This will definitely lighten your heart a lot. You will feel easy. You will feel life easy. Next, stay healthy. These days, it is very, very important. If you have not given time to yourself, 1 hour a day is yours. Exercise, eat healthy, stay healthy. This I learned after a long time. Trust me. I was 96 plus weight I carried some time back. It's just some 6-8 months back. That's all. I think people who know me, who have seen me earlier, I think Om Sarnam sir or Varaprasad, if he's there, they all know that I was overweight that time. And the time I realized it was too late. But yes, I made it up. I lost 25 kgs in 4 months. It was possible because of being healthy, staying healthy, and the commitment that I'd given. I wanted to do it. Even all of you can do it. Stay healthy. Being healthy is very important because today your family needs you. They need you in and out. You know, as soon as you get up in the morning, whole family is revolving around you. You cook for them. Even if their clothes are not found, they will ask you. Okay, if anything they lose, they will ask you. For everything, you are the person whom they look at. You know, and if you are not healthy, how can you help them out? Today, you will sacrifice your health and do it for your family. Tomorrow, when you are unhealthy, who will do it for you? So please love yourself equally. Stay healthy, eat healthy food, and only then you can do a lot for your family. Next thing comes is love unconditionally. This is very, very important. Expectations are something that we keep, but we should not keep. Actually, because expectation hurt us inside. Do not expect, just love unconditionally. When you're giving it, give it unconditionally without expecting anything because you're giving it. Give it just like that. And trust me, if you don't expect anything and you love unconditionally, you will never be hurt inside. You will never be hurt. The smile will always remain on your face. So love unconditionally. This will give you lots of confidence. Be helpful. Being helpful is very, very important because if you know something, you have something, please help people. If you help, you will also get the help when needed. So be helpful. God has given you enough. There are a lot of people who do not have this much also. Help them. Coming next, spread smiles. This is very, very important. Keep smiling, spread smiles. These smiles will bring back smiles in your life. And this is how you will enjoy your life. So the question isn't who's going to let me. The question is who's going to stop me. And from today, I am 100% sure every woman inside you, every person inside will feel this, that I am the person who is stopping myself. And from today, I will not stop myself. So it is nobody else who is stopping you. You yourself are stopping your limits. So please do not do that. Sky is the limit for you. You can fly high. You can show the world that you are the one, who can be inspirational to everybody on this earth. Be inspiration. Be inspiration to everybody. Only you can do it. Just one trigger in your heart, open up and trust me, you will be able to do it. So enjoy the new you. Have a blessed life. Thank you so much for being with me. I enjoyed talking to all of you, sharing some things that I really wanted to. And I have learned a lot of things from you. There are so many people here in the chat box who have given so many things to me. And learning is always there. You learn till you die, till your last breath. So keep learning, keep growing, have a wonderful life ahead. Thank you so much for this opportunity. And if there are any questions, please, you can ask me now. I will be able to help. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha ma'am. I don't see it as an empowerment program for women, but also for men equally.
Yeah.
There were a lot of takeaways for men. And thank you so much for the wonderful session. Friends, if you have any question to Neha ma'am, kindly request you to post on the group chat so that I can route your question to Neha ma'am.
Yeah, even you can unmute yourself and ask me. There's no problem.
Yes.
I'll just stop sharing screen so that I can see everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any questions, anything that is there in your mind popping up right now after seeing so much work, please ask me. I'll be really happy to help everybody. Yes.
Neha ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry. Yes, sir.
This is
Tell
Shakti
me.
here.
Shakti. Yes, Shakti.
So
Tell
how to keep our self-motivation, how to keep ourselves more energetic in a daily basis? Because once I wake up, I'm more energetic, I'm more happy and more enthusiastic. The days goes on by the 2-3 o'clock, my energy is gone low. So how do I keep myself motivate myself?
You know what? The objective, if you have a defined objective, it gives you self-motivation. Okay. So when you get up in the morning, early morning, when you get up, just give 10 minutes to yourself. And during that 10 minutes, plan your day. Organize your day. That this day, from this time to this time, I'm supposed to do this. From this time to this time, I'm supposed to do that. If you plan and organize your day completely, you will not feel lost at any given point of time. And trust me, this will help you being motivated whole day, because this is what I do. Morning I get up, I give 10 minutes to my whole day schedule. I prepare my schedule and work accordingly. And I see that in the day, whole day, whatever work I have planned, I do it. Not even a single moment I feel lazy or I feel, distracted from my work, just because I know this is the day I have to complete this much. So if you have an objective, you will never feel demotivated. You will always, you will have the energy to self-motivate yourself. And one more thing I would like to say, most of the times there are dark times in our life. All right. Most of the time what happens, some kind of fight with our spouse or some kind of dark day, some kind of bad day in office, it puts your morale down. Correct? At that time, right at that time, push yourself to do something that is really helpful for you, that gives you energy. Like for me, if I'm down, I listen to music. Music gives me a lot of energy. I forget, or I play with my children. They give me a lot of energy. I keep myself motivated. Suddenly that thought, it shifts from the dark times and my thought process comes again to the positive arena. This will help me motivated. This will keep you motivated all the time. These two things you can do. First is plan and organize your day. This will keep you self-motivated. Second thing, whenever you feel that your thought process is going towards your dark times, always do something that gives you happiness. Give 5 to 10 minutes to yourself and trust me, you will be out of it. 100%.
True. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks. Yes.
The next
Anybody
question
have
is from Arun Karthik.
Yes, Arun. Yes, Arun. Please go ahead.
Yes. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Nice to see you. Your session is excellent. Myself, JC Arun Karthik, Zone Director in Business.
Yes.
Can you ask one question, ma'am?
Yes, please go ahead.
Do you think that men can cook better than women?
You know what, you're putting me in dilemma now. See, I cannot upset women by telling this. Of course, they also cook well. Yes, but men also can cook well. See, lots of hotels have male chefs only as head chefs, Why is it? It is because they have better culinary skills in them than women. Women cook with heart for their family. So their family love it. But men can cook even better because they love everybody. And they cook so good for everybody. So there's nothing like it, ki men can do this or women can do this. Anybody can do anything. Anybody can excel in anything. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Leela.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I love your session. Very nice.
Thank you.
Excellent. This was the second session which I had it fully.
Oh, wow. Then I'm really proud. I'm really feeling good now. Thank you.
Whenever I want the Zoom training, first I leave here for 5 minutes and then if I get bored, I'll get into some other works.
Okay.
But this session made me to hear it fully.
Thank you.
Actually, I was confused to do what to do in this period. I don't know actually what to do with my hobbies. Actually, what to do and how to do. I'll be getting so many doubts. I need a expert in this. You have given me a great idea how to do with my hobbies. Even with my hobbies, how to be happy with that, as well as how to get wealth from it. Yeah, really great, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Even if you have any confusion with the website that I've shared or with the content that you can actually, or your hobbies to convert into business or anything, if you have any doubts, I think you can take my number from Rajesh ji, or I had even given in the last slide. If you don't have, I'll put it in the chat box.
I have taken the screenshot of
Screenshot you have taken. All right. So if you need my number, I'll also put it in the chat box. You can always connect with me. I will be happy to guide you, even not even on this platform, but also other than outside this also. No problem. I'll just put my number also, so that you can connect with me whenever you want. Any other questions? Please feel free to ask.
Yeah,
Yes.
people to feel free to post your questions. Feedbacks we can hold on.
Because the session was like this, wherein your career opportunities are waiting for you. They are calling you out, that you can fly high, but you don't keep yourself, don't keep yourself binded there.
True.
There's whole lot of world who is waiting for your skills. So please come out, give a chance to yourself, create your identity. And you know what? I will love it. Trust me. Any other questions?
Any other questions?
I think
You
there's no other
can
questions.
post your questions to us later as well. We can
No
get your
problem.
question
Yes.
reached Neha ma'am and get it answered. And yes, with that note, we will move to the closing formalities. Thank you so much, Neha ma'am, for the wonderful session again. I think as the profile said, kind of you have connected every field. So it was so dynamic, and especially the way you connected the hobbies to kind of the earning opportunities and sharing the links, like where you could make actually reach out to make it as a career. It was really helpful. And yeah, so any feedbacks I request, before that I would like to recognize the presence of a couple of key people on this call. We have zone officers JC Yuvraj, who's zone vice president of zone 16. We have Om Sarnam sir, who's the current zone vice president of zone 16. And we have JC Arun Karthik, the zone director for business. And we have past zone officer JC Kopi Kannan and past zone officer JC Varaprasad sir. Thank you all for being here. And we have current presidents JC Punita from JCA Hosur, JC Velmurugan from JCA Friends, and we have some of the past presidents and well-known trainers, JC Ravichandran sir and JC Amaranarayana sir, and JC Ravi, our LOMS IPP, and IPP Mahalakshmi ma'am from JC Pondicherry, and past president of JC Hosur Lake City Suresh sir, and Siva Subramaniam sir, Uttara Devi madam, and senior JC Murgesa Pandian sir. Thank you all. We recognize your presence on this training program. It means a lot that you visiting our training program. And once again, thank you for being here. And friends, we can quickly take one or two feedbacks we already got from Leela, and we would like to hear kind of more from you. Kindly unmute yourself and give a quick feedback. Keep it crisp, at the same time make their trainer happy.
Yeah, thank you, Chairman. As our President requested, I'll give that feedback in a crisp manner. Training is simply ASM. So awesome, superb, mind-blowing. Actually, why there is a selfishness in this with me, that I have invited Neha ma'am. There is a saying in Tamil, "Yan petra imbam vayagam peruga." It means whatever I experienced, I want to give it to my people. So that's what today result. Really, people have enjoyed like anything. I'm getting even personal messages, feedback about your session, ma'am. Really, it's awesome, wonderful, energetic, excellent, mind-blowing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And one more request: in future also, you need to give us your time for the sessions.
100%, sir. Anytime. I'm always there.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much for your valuable time. And at this point of time, thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Anyone from the woman who wants to give a feedback?
Yeah, Rajesh, I'm here.
Yes.
Ma'am, we are proud, privileged, fortunate, and no words more than this, ma'am. We are so glad and happy to have you, and we really enjoyed thorough and throughout. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, JC Bahuguna. And Neha ma'am and Ambika ma'am, your presence is much appreciated in today's meeting. And as I said initially, we are honored for having you here, and kindly accept this small virtual token of love from us.
Thank you.
JC Ambika ma'am and JC Neha Chaudhary.
Thank you. Wow.
And with that note, I kindly request JC Saravanan to propose the vote of thanks. JC Saravanan.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Vanakkam, Namaste, warm greetings to all. I would like to propose vote of thanks on behalf of JCA Hosur Lake City on the occasion of Women Empowerment ID program. Starting with our Zone Magical Woman and today's chief guest, JCHGF Ambikachari, Zone JCRT, Lady JCs, with a beautiful and inspiring explanation of the magical word woman. Thank you for coming as a chief guest, ma'am. Another magical woman, owner of the beautiful and excellent profile, energetic woman, none other than JCA India National Trainer, JC Neha Chaudhary. Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful empowerment, woman empowerment training. Recognize yourself, believe in self, and shared few business ideas. Those are some inspirational points which inspire and empower many of our members. आप हम लोगों के बीच आई एक नया दिन, एक नई शुरुआत. आशा करते हैं कि आप अपनी कीमती समय देकर हुजूर में आएंगी और एक एक्सक्लूसिव ट्रेनिंग हमें देगी. Thank you so much. Thank you for all zone governing board members who encourage us for this success. Another important backbone for the success of this empowerment training, that is our participant. Without your active participation, this cannot be done. Thank you so much for all participants once again. Last but not the least, Zoom virtual platform, which plays an important role during the COVID-19 period. Thank you. Thank you all. Stay safe. Enjoy life. Thank you.
Thank you, JC Saravanan. Friends, with that note, we completed our hat-trick training program. Last 3 days have been an amazing journey for us, interacting with so many wonderful trainers as well as the participants. I hope you all found it very useful. I thank participants who joined us for all the 3 days. And with that note, we're closing the day 3 of the business week. JCA India Zone 16. JCA Hosur Lake City hosting Women Empowerment Training Program is hereby adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you all for joining us.
Bye.
Yes.
Take care. Bye-bye.